Welcome and thank you for joining us today as we exploring the groundbreaking world of large language model. Today we are focusing on a rising star called Gemini AI. Gemini AI was developed by Google AI community. Gemini is a large language model capable of remarkable feats from generating creative text format to translating language and answering complex questions. It's pushing the boundary of what possibles with AI. The power of Gemini. Imagine a world where AI can understand and respond to your question with the same fluency and intelligence as a human. Higher language barriers become irrelevant and creativity knows no bound. This is the world Gemini AI promises. So how Gemini works? Let's take a closer look at the inner working of Gemini. When you ask Gemini a question, it first analyzes the prompt to understand the intent, then it accesses and processes information from its vast knowledge base, which include text, code, even images. Here in ChatGPT, you can use ChatGPT as a chatbot, but in Gemini AI, you can even process the images. How Google Gemini is trained. Google Gemini is a powerful large language model trained on a massive dataset of text and code. This training process involves several key steps. In step number 1, it's called the data preparation. Google uses a massive dataset of text and code collected from various sources including books, articles, code repository, and website. This data is then pre-processed, which involves cleaning, filtering, and structuring it for efficiency training. Step number 2, it's called the model architecture. Gemini is based on the transformer architecture, a deep learning model known for its efficiency in processing sequential data. The specific architecture used for Gemini is optimized for performance and efficiency, particularly on Google custom tensor processing units called TPUs. Step number 3 is the most important one, called training process. The pre-processed data is fed into the model, which learns by iteratively adjusting its internal parameter to minimize the error. This training process is highly compute intensive and requires a specialized hardware like TPUs, also called the tensor preprocessing units. Google leverages its AI-optimized infrastructure and cutting-edge TPUs version number B4 and version number B5e to accelerate the Gemini training. Step number 4, chain of thought prompting. Gemini incorporates a novel uncertainty road chain of thought prompting approach where the model is trained to explicitly task its reasoning process. This allows Gemini to perform complex reasoning and decision-making tasks more effectively than previous LLMs like ChatGPT. Step number 5, the last step is called the fine-tuning. If you are building a machine learning or deep learning model, you need to do the fine-tuning after building one machine learning model to make it more accurate. After the initial training, Gemini can further fine-tune for a specific task or domain by using smaller datasets relevant to desired applications. This process allows Google to tailor Gemini to various use cases, including question answering, code generation, and creative writing. This is how the Gemini AI is trained by Google. Thank you for joining us on a journey into the world of Gemini AI. Overall, Google training method for Gemini demonstrate their commitment to pushing the boundary of LLM's development. So thanks for watching. I'll see you again with another video. So till then, take care and bye bye.